Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on Scotia Bank Online Banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Scotia Bank login. Now click on this first website over here. Now enter your username and simply click on Need Help Sign In. Now click on I forgot my password. Now enter your card number or username here. And if you have lost or stolen card, simply click on this to continue further. And now simply click on continue, after which we'll get a verification code in our email we have used in Scotia Bank Online Banking. After that, we get to reset it, after which we can get into Scotia Bank Online Banking after resetting the password. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.